Welcome to the FordLogan Colonel Clamp installation video. We developed the Kernel Clamp to make the installation of FordLogan woven wire mesh partitions as easy as possible. This is the Kernel Clamp system. It contains 2 brackets and 2 1/4-inch diameter by 1 1/4 inch carriage bolts and 2 1/4-inch flanged hex nuts. The first step in the installation process is to make sure that the rivets and the stiffener bars are facing the same direction, meaning the flat side of the rivets face one direction and the raised side faces the other. This is done for aesthetic reasons and should be completed on all FordLogan cages. The second step is to insert the 2 panel legs into the base shoe. In step 3, secure the base with a 1/4-inch set screw using a 1/8 inch Allen wrench to tighten the screw. Also, you may need to anchor the base shoe as site conditions allow. Floor anchoring is covered in later chapters of the install guide. After the panels are secured in the base shoe, the 4th step is to add a kernel clamp towards the top of the panels. On our standard 8-foot and 10-foot panels, you will want to add a kernel clamp every 24 inches starting from the top. On an 8-foot panel, you will have 3 clamps placed here, here, and here. On a 10-foot panel, you will have 4 clamps placed as shown here. Note, for 7-foot, 9-foot, 11-foot, and 12-foot panels, refer to the instruction manual for suggested connection spacings. In the 5th step, we will connect the kernel clamp by placing one part of the clamp on the outside of the panel over the panel legs, then the other part on the opposite side. Keep in mind the nuts should be located on the secured side of the mesh. Secure the clamp using 1 1/4 inch carriage bolts with a 1/4 inch flanged hex nuts. Then tighten the nuts using a hand wrench or a power tool with a socket. This concludes the Kernel Clamp instructional video. If you have any questions, please contact us at 812-523-3044. Thank you.